We got a bunch of stuff today. So we're doing another TEMU haul. Today also very kindly sponsored by TEMU. You can basically get everything from TEMU. Clothes, shoes, beauty, home decor, and also for a very low price. They have a lot of different coupon codes or sales that are ongoing up to 90%, and just for example, this one is mine if you want to use it. Faster shopping, you might even want to download the app. Anyway, let's start off with a bang, because I think this color is a bang. We have this really cute red onesie, which is basically a full covered bodysuit, and I think I see so many of them lately. Look at this, the bright red color. Oh, it's like punching me in the face.
It's crazy.
Bodysuit is definitely long and stretchy enough to get easy into it, even though it doesn't have a zipper. I don't think it's going to be see-through, and also the fabric feels so nice. Like the inner layer has kind of like a little fleecy touch to it, which is so cool and so soft.
Yes.
If this looks pretty fitted, this is going to look great. Okay, look at that. How freaking stunning is this bodysuit? Just really snatching and fitting, you know, because it's flexible. And the inner layer here feels like I'm hugging a cloud. It's like that cozy. Lounging around the house, you're going to look so cute in it. And it's just so comfortable. It might also be something for Valentine's Day as well. And I'm pretty sure they have this one in multiple colors, so you can choose your favorite one. But the red one here really bangs. Now the next item. This here I think is a two-piece set that is made out of this really cool fabric. I don't know if it has a special term, but it's basically a soft fabric with this textural stripes on it. So here's the top we have. So the top feels really nice. Everything is super stretchy and flexible. I think this will be perfect for lounging around the house. Also, here are the pants. They are made of the same material. They have flexi bands. And in terms of fit, they are more like leggings rather than like flared or straight like pants. At first glance, I think it does look quite good with my skin tone, but we need to try it on to be sure. Ta-da! What do we think? It's definitely a color I've never really tried before. This is a really cute set. I especially love the top, like the length it has is really nice. Pants are also really cute, but my personal preferences are just, you know, flared legs and straight leg pants rather than some skinny jeans or leggings. But they do look cute in the set, so I really like it. So in total, I want to give this one a 9 out of 10. Especially another really nice loungewear outfit. Now before we go to the next clothing item, I also have a few little accessories I want to show you. The first one is this pair of earmuffs, ear cuffs, how do you call that? They're basically like some headphones, but for winter. I think they always look really cute when someone wears them. So I'm really keen to see how they look on me. Here is what they look like. They are super furry and soft. Oh my gosh. And you can have them open like this or even folded up like that. This is going to be fun. Sadly, the band on top isn't really adjustable, but thankfully it works with my head. And then, you know, more in combination with a winter outfit, this will definitely look better. But I'm really happy how they look. I think they are adorable. Next accessory is a cute little belt and a pastel-y kind of purple. I just love these stretchy bands because most of the belts that I get and are stretchy, I really have to adjust, you know, add some additional holes, and I don't need to do that with these elastic ones. I really like how they look. They're easy to open but also close, and I always really love to wear them around the waist. I think they're always so snatching. So I really want to give this one a 10 out of 10 and add this to my collection because it's adorable. And the last accessory is also the tiniest accessory. It's basically a necklace, or I think even 2 necklaces.
Simple but pretty.
You know, just 2 cute little silver necklaces. They will always work out. And the good thing here, one is a little bit shorter and one is a little bit longer, so you can decide how you want it to have. They are a good base and a good addition for every outfit, so I want to give them a 9. Let's go back to clothing. Here I have a really cute top. In terms of design, it's quite simple, but you know, it's always nice to have a lot of base items in your wardrobe. Like this one, it's just adorable in its color. It even has a heart tag. In general, I'm a big fan of these bubblegum kind of pink colors, and I also really like how stretchy this is. I think we can reuse this in so many cute outfits.
Yes, stop it. This is so cute.
Also, the fabric is super soft. I can't really tell if it's going to be see-through, but we're going to test it. But so far, I really like it. What do you think of this outfit? I just really like wearing white in combination with this light pink. It's just really adorable. The top, first of all, I think has an amazing fit. Like, this is XS and there's no loose fabric whatsoever. It is definitely long enough to go over your hands, so this is really nice. But the other thing I'm not really that happy with is that it is see-through. Like, you can see the white bra that I'm wearing underneath. Especially like since it's so skin tight, you can also see the outlines really well. So maybe some sticky cups would look better. So I want to give this one in total an 8 out of 10. It's still really nice. Now the next item. I never knew something like this existed, and it's really a genius idea. What we have here are 2 items, one in white and one in black, which are basically the under part of a blouse that you usually wear underneath. Like, this is just the under half. You know, just something that peeks out a little bit under the top that you're wearing, and you can basically pair this with whatever you want. And here we have it in white, and here we have it in black. I think this is a great addition for every closet. I'm sure everyone can use this. Also, if you have like a top that has a weird length to it, you can add this underneath. I want to give them both a 10 out of 10. Okay, next one. Okay, so here we have again the fabric that we had before. This flexi ripped textured fabric, but this time it's a dress and not a two-piece set. Ooh, look at this color. It's kind of like a dark orangey, red, browny color. Something in between all of them. If fall was a color, it would be this one. Like, imagine a cute little fall outfit. Oh,
It would look so cute.
we're going to do that. What I also want to add to this dress is this one. I've highlighted it in so many videos before. It's basically a pair of Thermo Tights. Again, I'm just going to repeat myself. These are amazing. These are tights that basically look like skin-colored black tights, but actually they have a fleece inner layer, so they keep you really warm. I personally think they are much better than like jeans or something else in winter. So even though it doesn't really look like you're wearing too much, you're actually really covered. And these two in combination will look so nice in a fall outfit. So let's do that. Okay, so this fit is adorable. I really like the color of this dress and the tights. They are so comfortable. Like, the fleece in here is really soft, which makes it so nice to wear. The dress is also cute, and I like this fabric in general, also that it's stretchy, but the fit here isn't that great. Currently I'm hiding it a little bit with the belt, but without it you can tell like around this area there's like a lot loose fabric. It could also be because this is, I think, size S and I'm usually a size XS. So therefore I want to give the dress a 9 out of 10. And the cutout here is quite thrilling and the length of the sleeves is perfect, so a 9 is good. Okay, let's keep going. The next item is actually a 3-piece top set where we have a top in 3 different colors. So we have one in black, one in brown, and one in beige. Okay, look at the beige one. I think I'm probably going to disappear in this one, but these are actually bodies. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think this brown will probably suit me better, you know, so that we at least have a little bit of contrast. And I also really like that there is quite a lot of fabric that is covering the butt. That's just so often not the case, so I really like it here. And they're all just super flexible. I love that. Yes, give me room for my food, baby. Well, to be honest, I thought it would look even worse with my skin color, but it's not like too bad because it's like really tight fitted and snatching. I think it kind of makes it work. As it is like that, it's definitely a really nice body. Like, it's comfortable to wear, it's long enough, it's fitted really well. Maybe we should try out a different shade. Ooh, okay, this one I prefer, to be honest. Like, the brown is also not like too intense, quite saddle, but still that you can tell it's brown. It's a nice color. Love it, really cute. Let's also test the black one. And the last one. I think with black you never can go wrong. This is something that works with every outfit. And a black long sleeve body like this is just useful in so many ways in your wardrobe. So I would give the lightest one an 8 out of 10. Then I will give the black one here a 9 out of 10, and my favorite was just the brown one. I give this one a 10 out of 10. I think the contrast worked best with my skin color. I also think they had these body sets in different combinations, so maybe there's something in it for you as well. But my personal favorite was the brown one. And now the last 2 items, basically a few more accessories. So this one definitely has a lot of fabric to it. As you can see, it's a big, chunky blue scarf. Blue in color is just really mesmerizing, like a really perfect royal blue. And it just looked so nice that I also wanted to get it in another color, in white. So here it's the same kind of fleecy and really fluffy fabric. And I love that it's not like too intense off-white. This makes it really good for combinations. And here are the cute fuzzy ends. So just by holding them, I can already feel they're going to keep you really warm in winter. And they look stylish as well. And the last and final item is basically a pair of loafers. But I've tested so many loafers in my lifetime that I can tell you these are the best ones. I already have a pair of them and I've just wanted for years. First of all, black is perfect for the loafers because they never really get dirty. Then I just love this big chunky sole around it. It's just really nice to walk in. And the sole and the inside, everything is basically covered in this nice black little fur. It's just so nice to the touch and it just feels like you're walking on clouds. So I needed another pair anyway, and I can really recommend these. If you haven't had enough of this haul, be sure to also watch my other TEMU haul that I did.